I heard one wonderful example from Wordly being used at a conference where they had specifically bought Wordly because they had some Japanese delegates coming. And they figured, well, we'll use all the languages because yeah, they're there, why not? When they looked at the analytics after the event, they realized that something like 16 languages had been accessed during the event. And they had no idea that those other 15 languages were going to be used by any of the delegates. Previously, those delegates would have struggled through. Maybe they would have asked a friend to help them out. Now, all of a sudden, they've got a visual idea of what was missing. Now, with human translation, you don't have that possibility. With AI-driven translation, or rather interpretation, I'd call it, because it's more than simply translating the words. It's making better sense of the meeting. They've got the analytics that allow them to look back and see what is this mix of people. And it may mean that in future years they start running sessions in German and French because they can see that there are enough people there who have the need and maybe the demand to speak in their own native language. And with Wordly, you don't need to simply say, we'll do everything in English and then make everybody else accommodate. You can actually have multiple speakers speaking in multiple languages and open up a whole new level of freedom of communication and conversation that was impossible in previous eras.